Ki khubor ka bate si TV.
Pyndem kam da ka Mahindra Power Roll India's #1 generator. Pynïap ka khuslai lahamiet neshai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
MLA jong Seng Congress Karnataka ubabat kong chairman jong Urban Water Supply and Drainage Board Nine Kulkarni Leit Pyndem yaladi hak special court jong MLA MP Hanongba Bengaluru Halor kies ke bedai bak Shah Pynïap Nongïalam ke BJP Yogesh Gowda House nam Arja Khanrio ke Supreme Court kala kansel ya ke jingyo jamin jong bar kala ong bu hap kongo ya ke hukum ke court bar kumta ula Pyndem yaladi ka special court kala ITU ni MLA sa Central Bureau of Investigation Gowda ude udkhot jong zila parishad ula Shah Pynïap hak jim jong hak khat santrik ujul leo Arja Khanrio mar hak te kapor Kulkarni ubat kum menteri sarkar hak sarkar bayalam na ke kongres la keno ba jing Shah Pynïap Gowda gade na ka politik menteri rang ba berem ke Karnataka UBS yedi rupa ula penbana ba hak tu kapor ba unsa thabet ya Kulkarni hapatok bad dashisha haba ula poi hakabor ula IT ke sa CBI bad Kulkarni ula Shakya mak santrik unai wi Arja apho ula Shah set patok handai benai hak tu kapor handai ula Leit no hak khat lai tarik unai lar Arja apoi ke Supreme Court kala bu kendon hak tu kapor ba umbet shu banyu kechan Hadharwan district bad uru ukongo ya kata bad uyakun election house nam Arja apulai na Dharwan bad klem yalap election ujob kuput Henry datang kalok berkekun jong kebai penyerap yalap election nak benta jong ke CBI ke batokit benya yang ke kes ke syam balapan kebum ya kisaki dak pisah berkumta kalapan po nak Supreme Court bakam dei banai jamin yo Kulkarni nomor bu persang ban pen kebum dak pisah ya bero kisaki bad dei ban pawan Pyndem noi Kulkarni uloong ba ai bagi yang bisyar kan le bedon kam ukunoro badon gibde bakwa ban tap patok yo handai uong ba uble udon bad
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello, Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music, and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.